Today I thought I'd whip into Domino's. They've got a couple of new items I was keen to try. They've got a hot honey pepperoni stuffed cheesy bread that looked pretty good. And they've also got some triple cheese bites that looked quite interesting. So how about we whip on into Domino's, grab some, suss them out, and we'll see what they're like. Let's go. All right, here we go. Now, I got the cheesy bites here. They were $5, and the hot honey stuffed pepperoni cheesy bread was $6.50. I also got a sauce with the cheesy bites. I had a choice of spicy sriracha mayo, sweet and sour, or creamy garlic aioli. I decided on the sriracha mayo one today. Anyway, let's crack these bad boys open and see what they look like on the inside. Let's start off with the cheesy stuffed pepperoni bread. Oh wow, that actually looks all right. And you can see where all the honey was on it. It's all come off now. Thank goodness. Anyway, here's the cheesy bites. Let's take a look at these. All right, so there's my sauce, 5 of them. Gee, they look like little mini scallops. And by the way, these things are, well, they're about 4 centimeters in diameter. And the cheesy bread, well, that's about 18 centimeters in length, with about a 10 centimeter girth. Oh, and by the way, this sauce here costs an extra $1. Crikey! These cheesy bites, well, they only weigh like 100 grams, 20 grams each. And let me just prepare that, and we'll see how much this honey stuffed cheesy bread weighs. About 195 grams. Full. Minus the napkin. 190, let's say. Oh, and the sauce. About 20 grams, I'd reckon. So weight-wise, nothing to write home about. But at least the scales shifted. Anyway, let's suss out these things a bit more. Oh, I might start off with these cheesy bites. Now, the triple cheese bites are 5 golden crispy crumbed cheese bites filled with a delicious cheddar cheese, mozzarella and parmesan. Well, they're definitely nice and crispy on the outside. Very nice golden colour, and well, underneath you can see some cheese poking its head out. Let's see what it's like. Well, it tastes like flour mixed with cheese. Nothing like stretchy and gooey and oozy or anything. Kind of a little bit dry and bland and a little bit boring. Maybe it'll taste better with this spicy sriracha mayo. We can only hope. Well, that's pretty nice. Don't mind that. It should go well with this. Yeah, it really enhances the flavour. It takes away some of that dryness, adds some moisture. Oh, that's way better. Anyway, let's try this hot honey pepperoni stuffed cheesy bread. Now, I have had the hot honey on a pizza before. It was disgusting. And it was only just after I'd ordered this that I remembered that. And, well, my senses sort of did a little backtake and were sort of really apprehensive about eating this again. But anyway, hopefully it's all right. Hopefully. But let's dissect a piece. Let's go this one here. So there's cheese on the outside, it looks like. Oh, all right. Got your pepperoni there in the middle. And it looks like just dough there. And, all right. Looks like could be the cheese underneath there. Yes. Well, I hope it is. Let's give it a go. Well, first thing I tasted was that hot honey sauce. And straight away, it gave me a little bit of PTSD from that pizza that I had that had it on there. Why you'd want to put that sauce on a cheesy, salty, pepperoni, pizza crusty piece of whatever that is beyond me. I got no idea. But I tell you what, it doesn't work! I really shouldn't have got it added on. I should have just said, can I have the hot honey, pepperoni, stuffed cheesy bread? Oh, the hot honey! They already have one without the hot honey, Grego. But that's what I'm here for. I get to try all these things for you, so you don't make the same mistakes as I do. Besides that hot honey, it actually tasted all right. It seemed like there was lots of cheese inside, and it was sort of creamy and gooey and a bit oozy. On this side, well, you can see the pepperoni popping its little head out, and it looks like there's a bit of cheese there as well. And the pizza crust tastes all right too. Except for that hot honey, which isn't too bad. But I'd much prefer it if it wasn't there. Anyway, I think I've had enough of these meals to know what score they're getting. Out of 10. Well, value-wise, $6.50 for that bread, and, $5 for the cheesy bites, $1 for the sauce. Yeah, oh, look, I mean, what else are they supposed to charge? $3? And probably use $10 worth of gas in their big pizza oven just to make these things. Suppose I can't complain about the price. And flavour-wise, well, that is something I can complain about. These cheesy bites, well, I mean, they were all right tasting, but seemed a little bit dry. I was sort of hoping they'd be gooey in the middle with like a pizza stretch. I didn't even see if it did that. Mind you, it's been like 15 minutes since I bought them, so they might have gone a little bit, hard and dry. Or they could have been like that in the first place. Who knows? There is some sort of cheese in the middle here that I'm sure might have had a stretch at some stage of it, the point of its life. But I mean, if that's the cheese and the rest is like just this like bready, crummy sort of thing. Although when I did dip it in with the sriracha mayo, it did taste all right. Only just though. That's good. Don't mind that. This hot honey, pepperoni, stuffed cheesy bread though, well, it would have been all right if it didn't have the hot honey. That sort of ruined it. But besides that, the flavour was okay, and the pepperoni was tasty. And I mean, it was all right. The pizza dough's fine and tastes okay. There's enough cheese in it, and it had some flavour and everything. So for my I'll have a value, I'll have a flavour, I'll have a taste, I'll have everything score for these Domino's items I got today. Well, I think they deserve a... Well, for the cheesy bites, I think I'll give those a 5 out of 10. And for the hot honey, pepperoni, stuffed cheesy bread, I reckon that deserves a 5 out of 10. Actually, the hot honey one probably could have been more, but it had the hot honey on it. And, well, if I was going to get that again, I definitely wouldn't get the hot honey on it. I'd just get the normal one, no hot honey. Then it might get up to a 6 out of 10. But these cheesy bites, it's supposed to have 3 cheeses. Well, I could see one, but don't know where the others were hiding. And I couldn't taste them. But, I mean, they're both all right. They're edible. I didn't mind eating them. I wasn't turned off or disgusted by them. Or maybe the hot honey. Even then, I think I swallowed it. So, yes. Anyway, there's 2 of the new side items from Domino's. Will you be whipping in to grab them? If you do, maybe you should tell them Greg sent you. Then they'll know not to put the hot honey on the hot honey thing. Now, if you've made it this far, why don't you show the video some thumbing love? I hope this video helped you decide what to try, what to buy and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next fast food review. I'll see you then.
Ooh, yeah.